Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Go North East, Scania Omnicity 5264 on the 19 to North Shields. If you see my brother's legs in the video, just don't mind it. He's just being a bit naughty at the minute, and he's just trying to stop me from filming. But I'm not going to let it happen, because I want you subscribers to support me. I just want all you subscribers to support me and just, get through all the haters. This is my first out of 3 videos today. My second video will be on the 306 back to Whitley Bay, and that will be uploaded tomorrow. And the next on the 5th time back to where I live, that's going to be uploaded on Sunday. Wait, no, it's Saturday today. Monday, it'll be uploaded on Monday. Sorry guys, I've lost track of the days. My head's all over the place this week. I've been all over the place this week. I just forget the days. So this one's being uploaded today. The second one that I'm filming today is going to be up tomorrow, and the next one, the third one that I'm filming is going to be uploaded on Monday. So I've got a bit of a video schedule planned. Busy at all due to lockdown and COVID, and So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on notification bells for the future videos. This is CH Buses and Train Spotter.